Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're going to learn the difference between since and for. These two words are very common in English, especially when we talk about time. They often appear with the present perfect tense, but they have different meanings. Let's begin with since. We use since to show the starting point of an action. In other words, it answers the question, when did it start? The structure is since plus point in time. A point in time is a specific moment, such as a day, a year, or a clock time. Here are some examples. Since Monday. Since 2022. Since 8 o'clock. Now let's use them in complete sentences. I have lived here since 2020. This means I started living here in 2020, and I still live here today. She has worked in this company since January. Again, January is the starting point. Now, let's look at for. We use for to talk about the length of time. It answers the question, how long? The structure is for plus period of time. For example, for 2 hours, for 5 years, for a week. Here are complete sentences. I have studied English for 3 years. They have waited for 30 minutes. In these examples, we know the duration of the action, but we don't know exactly when it started. Now, let's compare the two. I have lived here since 2020. The year 2020 tells us when the action began. I have lived here for 5 years. 5 years tells us how long the action has continued. Here is an easy trick to remember. Ask yourself one question. If you're asking, when did it start? Use since. If you're asking, how long? Use for. Let's practice. Which sentence is correct? I have known her since 2019. Excellent. Now try this one. We have been friends for 10 years. Perfect. Remember, since equals a starting point. For equals a period of time. Keep practicing and soon you'll use both words naturally in everyday conversations.